Hey, it's Mike Klijanowicz coming to you from the gatherings at Perry Hall Place. These are 55 plus community back here in Perry Hall, and they're getting built by Beazer Homes. You can see all these homes that are built. They have a couple more quick move-ins, but they're going to be closing out this community soon. You can see all the people that have moved in, and they go way up the street. But it's super convenient to everything. They got a car wash here. They got a oil change place here. They got a Wawa, my favorite place here. You know, easy access out to Honeygo Boulevard, which will take you down to Bel Air Road or down towards White Marsh, towards the mall and 95. So it's a real convenient, super convenient location. We're going to meet Angie today at Perry Hall. She's waving at us at the door, so we're going to go in there and take a look at what you can get back here. This is just give you an idea of one of the quick move-ins that they have available right now in the community. So we're going to come through and see the finishes here. And this is Angie. Say
hello,
hey.
Welcome everybody.
All right. So these are really nice looking homes here. You got some LVP floors in here. And then it's nice neutral paint colors, some carpet going upstairs. But we'll go down to the main level here. Take a quick peek through. Looks like this is where the garage is, right where you'll probably come in. All right. So you come in through the garage, and these garages have openers in them already. Do they have any plugs for the electric cars or no? No? Okay. I was just asking because some do and some don't. Not here, but in different communities. And then here's going to be your washer dryer room hookup on the main level coming in. So it's kind of off of the living area, so you don't have to listen to the washer and dryer. And then here is the kitchen area, and just kind of like a great room. This is the end of group, so you get all these extra windows to get some natural light in here into the home. And then the kitchen is super nice. 42-inch cabinets and some pendant lights, stainless appliances, nice big island. Gas stove, perfect. And then we have a nice big pantry over here that you can fit a lot of stuff in here. So I'd say walk-in pantry, really, because it's big enough to walk into. And then this is going to be the first floor master bedroom, right?
Primary bedroom, yes.
First floor owner's suite bedroom here. So it's got a tray ceiling, looks like. Give you a little bit higher ceiling in here. And then a super big bathroom with two separate vanities, so double vanities. They put a linen closet in between the two here, so you can put all your towels and sheets and everything that you need in there. And then it's got a shower in here, which is great. Got a grab bar in it already. Nice shower seat in here, you know. And got some lights, some recessed lights for you. And there's 9-foot ceilings on this floor here. So like, and then off the where the sinks are, there's a nice big walk-in closet in here. So it kind of come in and goes all the way down and comes around here. And then in here is going to be your bathroom, right?
Your enclosed toilet,
enclosed toilet area. Okay, and they're elongated toilets as well. So that's nice. All right. And notice the tile goes all the way up. You know, Beazer does a real good job with their tile in all their homes. I've noticed that. And then this also has an upstairs area too, where there are how many more bedrooms?
There are 2 more bedrooms and an office upstairs and another bathroom.
Okay, good. So a lot more space then.
Yes, and when you're talking about Beazer's quality,
right,
we are the #1 energy efficient builder in the country.
#1 energy efficient builder in the country. And look at that. It's got a nice overhang here.
Two-story living area.
2-story family room. Everybody likes that. And then you get the extra windows because it's the end of group. That's the one we're taking you through here today. That's available, and there are 7 more left in this community, and that is it. So come here before they are gone, because when they're gone, that's going to be it, and there are no more 55 plus communities around this area. So this is it. You got 7 more to pick from. All right, so let's head up.
Let's make our way upstairs.
We'll go up the stairs.
I think you're really going to be surprised how spacious.
Yeah, let's see. See what we got up here.
So this would be
wow, look at this.
Another living area, another TV area, loft area.
Nice big area. Yeah, kind of like a loft or office area.
Well, we've got you covered
on the office. Oh, you got an office
area.
too? That's right. Look at that.
We've got you covered on the office area.
So we got an office here. And then looks like, what's this, like storage access for the attic?
No, but let me show you something. So because of the quality that Beazer builds with, we use R21 insulation in the walls, R49 in the attic. So if you put your hand in here, you're not really going to feel a difference because of the extensive insulation we do. And that's one of the things that makes us so energy efficient.
Wow, that's great. That's great. That's great. Look at this. All these windows, all this light, and then all this area with your loft area. And then we come down here. We got a bathroom, another full bath, hall closet, another full bath. You know, some nice counters on the sinks that we didn't show in the last bathroom, but they're the same. And then you get your towel that goes all the way up as well. Nice job there. Tile floor in the bathroom. And then we have 2 more bedrooms up here. This is one bedroom here that we have. And these are pretty nice size.
Yes.
And then you got your closet, double closet doors. This is actually a really nice set for a second bedroom. This is pretty big. This is pretty big. So if you had guests, you had company, you got older kids,
grandkids visiting,
grandkids coming over, whatever, And so it is 55 plus, but what are the rules? So one of the people has to be 55.
55 or better.
Or better.
Cannot be anybody living here permanently under the age of 18.
Okay.
But your grandkids can come.
Or older adult children.
Older adult children can live here
right.
as long as one member of the family is
55 plus. So this is perfect. Like, you got your kids from college that graduated that don't know what they're gonna do,
Correct.
haven't moved out yet, but they gotta have a place to stay.
Correct.
They can live with you here. So you can sell your big house now, cash out while the market's high, get your money, come here while you can get a really good price, and get your 55 plus home, and then you have your main level living space, you know?
And that's one of the huge benefits is it's virtually maintenance free on the outside.
Right.
Part of what the HOA and the condo covers is your roof, your siding, all the landscaping, the shrubs. So
great.
It's really turnkey.
So all the landscaping, grass is cut, mulching, trimming the bushes.
Yes.
So what are the fees back here since we got that?
The combined fees are going to be $286 per month.
Okay, and that's including the condo, right?
And the HOA.
And the HOA. Okay, and then how about a water sewer hookup fee?
It's $1,000
for the year, right?
For the year, for 40 years.
For 40 years. So, and that's pretty common in new construction communities here too. Okay, so that's actually $286. It's cheaper than Bully Rock. Bully Rock's a lot more money than that.
Yes.
And I mean, they do have a pool, whatever, but do you really need a pool? I don't think you need a pool. Not when you're 55 plus. Not going to be out there drinking cocktails on the pool deck, you know.
Oh, you never know.
Oh, that's true. And maybe they should open a community pool around here. Oh, wow. This one's even bigger.
It's like you have 2 primary bedrooms.
It really is. I mean, this is perfect. If you had, You know, I mean, I'm telling you, because my wife right now, she don't want me to say this, but she's going to be 50 this year. And I told her, when you hit 55, we are out. Like, we are finding 55 plus because, you know, I don't need that big house, you know?
And we're
And if my
really
kids are still with me, they can come live with me because they'll be adults.
right.
So that's perfect.
We're seeing a very large need for this type of product in the area, and we're very fortunate to be able to provide that. And
Yeah.
at the quality we do provide it.
Right. And don't wait because, I mean, like I said, there's only 7 left in here. And, you know, and also agents, just so you know, they are a very agent friendly builder. They like agents to come, they support you, and they pay you too. So, just come in, they'll take care of you, they'll do the contract, they'll take all the paperwork out, and won't have to worry about appraisal issues, won't have to worry about inspection issues because it's brand new construction. And I personally love selling new construction because my clients are always happy. They get a great house. It smells nice. It's brand new. It's like a new car, and everybody's happy. It's not like a resale where, we got to worry about a hot water heater that broke before settlement or a window that got busted or, everything is brand new.
And they all come with warranties.
Yep. And tell me about that. So
you have a 1-year warranty
right?
on materials and workmanship. You have a 2-year limited warranty on heating, cooling, electric, and plumbing. And then you have a 10-year structural warranty.
Wow, that's pretty good. So,
yeah.
And that's for anything. And then for drywall, a lot of builders do like within the first year.
They'll come back and do
pops.
Yes, they'll
like
come back and do like an inspection. Up. Yes.
Yeah. So just something to think about. If you're, not knowing what to do, you got an older home, and you're like, I own it. I don't owe anything on it. I can sell it for 400 some thousand. It's almost like an even trade. You trade in your house, we'll sell that, get your top dollar, and then you come in here and you pretty much give them the same thing, and you're moving in for nothing, and you're getting something that's brand new that you can really love. So that's what we got here at the gatherings at Perry Hall Place. So thanks for taking this tour with us today. If you have any questions whatsoever, just give me a call. Call Mike, and I'll put my information on the description of this video on YouTube. So just go on the bottom of the description. And if you're super interested, I'll put you in touch with Angie, and you can come out here and you can, meet her. You can take a tour. She's here. They're open like 6-7 days a week, I think.
Normally we're open 7 days a week.
7 days a week. So we can schedule around your schedule.
6.
And if, you might be right outside of the 6, you work, whatever, we can always work around your schedule, make something happen for you, get you in here. We're happy to accommodate you for that. And, that's pretty much it. So hopefully you liked the video. You liked what you heard. And remember, there's only 7 left. So take care. See you. Bye.